The Gemini era started as a bold experiment by Google, a forward-thinking step that changed how we use everyday technology. Now, Gemini has become a core part of our digital lives, showing up in every important moment, whether at home, at work, or when we connect with the world. Every month, 2 billion people around the world get answers through AI overviews in Google Search, making information easier to get and more useful. The Gemini app now serves 650 million active users, helping them find solutions, inspiration, and new ideas every day. Gemini isn't just for tech fans. It's a key tool for writing, planning, learning, creating, and even working together across different areas. More than 70% of Google Cloud customers now use Gemini AI to innovate, simplify tasks, and speed up their digital changes. 13 million developers worldwide are building new apps and solutions with Gemini's generative models, driving a fast-growing and innovative tech ecosystem. Today, November 19, 2025, marks the next big leap. Google is launching Gemini 3, the most advanced and groundbreaking AI to date. This isn't just an update, it's a fundamental step toward artificial general intelligence, opening up new possibilities like never before. Gemini 3 is designed to understand the world in a deeper, more detailed, and more responsive way to human needs. Its arrival signals a new, stronger, and more promising chapter in the Gemini story, bringing great hope for the future of technology. So, what makes Gemini 3 different? Why is it so important in today's tech world? It's Google's next-generation AI, built to be more capable, helpful, and integrated than ever before. Gemini 3 is designed to be more than just a tool. It's a new foundation for artificial intelligence that truly understands human needs. Launched right into Google Search, Gemini 3 powers the world's most used information tool from day one. This means billions of people can feel its benefits right away in their daily lives. Its main power is being multimodal. It naturally understands text, pictures, videos, audio, and code all at once. With this ability, Gemini 3 can handle many types of data at the same time, giving richer and more useful answers. Imagine you show a video of a physics experiment, and Gemini explains it and writes code to try it out. This ability opens up new chances in learning, research, and new ideas. Gemini 3's big context window, up to 1 million tokens, lets it process huge amounts of information all at once. This is really helpful for understanding long papers or complicated data without losing important details. It can look at research papers, fix thousands of lines of code, or watch hours of video without losing track. All of this is done with amazing speed and accuracy. It's more than just a search engine or a chatbot. It's a true helper for planning, making work easier, and solving problems in new ways. Gemini 3 helps teams and people work better and come up with more new ideas. Gemini 3 changes AI from just getting information to being an active, smart helper. It can give advice, guess what you need, and act before you even ask. This marks the start of a new time where AI becomes a real partner in our daily lives, helping us do more than ever before. The biggest leap for Gemini 3 is its advanced reasoning. It can break down complex multi-step problems, weigh options, and come up with well-thought-out conclusions, much like a human. On the ultimate exam for humanity, a test made for PhDs, Gemini 3 Pro scored 37.5% without any help, showing its amazing reasoning skills. With Deep Think mode, its score jumped to 41%, putting more effort into deeper, more thoughtful answers. This means students get step-by-step explanations, doctors receive detailed analysis, and strategists can model complicated situations. Gemini 3's reasoning isn't just for school, it's a useful tool to make skills and decisions better. This is a new standard for AI smarts. The world is more than just words. Gemini 3's true multimodal ability lets it understand sights, sounds, and structures all at once. It can look at diagrams, listen to audio clips, and read manuals, then put all that information together for a complete answer. This opens up new possibilities. A musician could get personalized advice from photos, audio, and text. A student could snap a picture of a monument and get an audio guide. On the MMMU Pro test, Gemini 3 Pro scored 81% and 87.6% on video MMMU, leading the way in understanding different types of media. For developers, it can create code from a simple sketch. For filmmakers, It can suggest a soundtrack from a video clip. Gemini 3's multimodal power makes technology feel more natural and human. It breaks down the walls between different types of media, helping us be more creative and solve problems better. This is AI that truly sees and hears the world just like we do. Gemini 3 Pro has broken records in reasoning, math, coding, and factual accuracy. It topped the LM Arena leaderboard with an ELO score of 1501 and scored 91.9% on GPQA Diamond for graduate-level knowledge. On Simple QA Verified, it achieved 72.1% factual accuracy. That's reliable and verifiable information. In math, it set a new record on Math Arena Apex with 23.4%. For coding, it led the WebDev Arena and solved 76.2% of real-world software problems on SWE Bench Verified. It also excels at using digital tools, scoring 54.2% on Terminal Bench 2.0. Gemini 3 isn't just smart, it's practical, powerful, and ready to build the digital world. This is the latest in AI performance. Google is bringing out the Gemini agent, a smart AI that can plan, do, and handle tricky tasks all by itself. Just tell it what you want, like booking a weekend trip, and it will look things up, compare options, suggest ideas, and even make all the bookings for you. This agent AI changes Gemini from just a place to get info to a real digital helper. The Gemini app has been made over for richer, more interactive answers. Think charts, timelines, maps, and tools, not just plain text. People who pay for premium get an AI mode in Google Search, with cool layouts and interactive simulations. Planning to fix up your home? AI mode can make 3D models of your room so you can try out ideas virtually. These improvements make information more useful and interesting. Gemini is now a place for creative work and solving problems. Gemini 3 empowers everyone, from students and everyday users to developers and businesses. For daily life, it helps you write emails, plan meals, study, and get creative, right there in Google Search. Students get easy-to-understand paper summaries, step-by-step explanations, and help with different types of media, like taking a picture of a math problem for instant help. Developers use Gemini's coding tools, like APIs and CLIs, to write, debug, and learn faster. Businesses are changing with special AI solutions on Google Cloud, from personalized shopping to finding fraud. Google's antigravity platform lets AI agents plan, write code, and check software projects all on their own. Gemini 3 makes everyone more productive and helps them create new things in every area. It's a game changer for big changes. With great power comes great responsibility. Gemini 3 is Google's safest AI to date. It has gone through the most comprehensive safety evaluations, with input from both internal and external experts. Red teams and partners like the UK's AI Safety Institute are testing for bias, manipulation, and new threats. Gemini 3 is built to withstand enemy attacks and reduce flattery, rejecting false information. Safety features are fundamental, not just an add-on. Google is committed to transparency, continuous improvement, and developing AI responsibly. The launch of Gemini 3 is a new commitment to AI that helps, not harms, and is beneficial. Safety is the foundation, not just a feature. The launch of Gemini 3 marks a big moment. AI is now practical, powerful, and deeply woven into our daily lives. This technology isn't just a future idea anymore, it's a real part of our routines, helping us with everything from work to fun. Its deep thinking, understanding of different types of information, and ability to act for us are a huge step forward. AI can now understand complicated situations, connect information from many places, and give us smarter, more useful solutions. This is the start of real teamwork between human and machine intelligence. Together, we can create amazing new things that we only dreamed of before, making progress faster in many areas. Gemini 3 boosts creativity, critical thinking, and skills. It handles the boring stuff so we can focus on imaginative things. AI is a tool that helps people do more, not just a replacement. Artists, scientists, and business owners can now achieve more, faster, and on a bigger scale. Working with AI opens up new chances that were out of reach before. But with such fast progress come important questions about how AI affects society and what's right. We need to make sure this technology is used responsibly and fairly for everyone. The road ahead needs bold new ideas and careful management. Working together, policymakers, researchers, and the public is key to shaping the future of AI. Today, November 19th, 2025, we step into a new time. A time where AI is a main partner in every step of change. With Gemini 3, we have a partner for new ideas and a window to endless possibilities. The next era has arrived, and the future is wide open for us to explore together.